Hey YouTube, this is going to be a room review of the AC Hotel in downtown LA. This is on South Figueroa next to the Moxie, which is in our other video, across the street from the LA Convention Center. So this is a double room with a city view. It is 293 square feet. So when you walk in the door, you start off, you have your HVAC unit right here. You have your light switches, your master. So the first one turns on the lights on the bedroom side, and the second one turns on your lobby light or your entryway light. They're dimmable. You also have a plug-in right when you walk in. So you have a luggage rack to your left. Over here you have your closet, which the door is not staying open. You have your steamer and hair dryer in the top drawer. Your Bibles and dry cleaning bag in the second drawer. And an empty drawer. And over here you have your ice bucket, empty shelf, your in-room safe, and your coffee maker. And it has a mini fridge. I'm not sure it's one of them fridges that charge you when you get the water. I'm not sure, but I'll ask the front desk. So you move to the right, you have your sink, towels up underneath. You have your mirror with dimmable lights with the light switches over here. So this first one's for your mirror, and the second one is for your bathroom and shower combined, and these are also dimmable. So in the first door you have a decent sized shower. Comes with your shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And then right next door you have your toilet. Okay, as you go into the main room, you have a mirror right here by your bed. So on this side of the bed you have a light switch, and that's for the light, the ambient light behind the bed. You have a reading lamp. You have a traditional plug-in, a USB-A and a USB-C on this side of the bed. The little coffee table, plug-in. This is the first bed. Then in the center, you have another table, two reading lights. Same thing, a traditional plug-in, USB-A, USB-C on both sides of the bed. You get a slimline telephone. This is your other bed. And over here, same thing, reading light, plug-ins, little coffee table. I like how they have a plug-in on each side of the bed. So if this sleeps four, each person can plug up their phone or whatever they want to plug in next to where they sleep at. Then this is the view for the city view, which I'm going to get a better shot in the morning so you can see. But over there is the crypto arena, and the convention center is right here, but I get a better shot in the daylight. Then over here you have a long desk or table, single chair. They do give you water when you check in. Have a little lamp, your menu, probably a 55-inch TV. So check back later, and I'm going to do the black light test. Okay, let's start with the black light test. So far the door handle, light switch is fairly good. No little dust spots. The sink, not bad. The shower, not too bad. Just a little, it's probably like some soap or something. It's favorite little stuff around the edges, dust on the wall, but that's okay. So let's check the bed. Bed's not bad. Headboard. Just some dust. Walls are clean. So yeah, it pretty much passed. It's one of the cleanest rooms I think I ever did. So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on our next video.